Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to fix flashing screen in Windows 11. Flashing or fil flickering. It's about flashing screen. Let's fix this guys. Go to start menu, type system config, system config configuration. Right click, run as administrator. In system configuration you need to go services. In services you need to go problem reports. I'm typing P for easily find that. Problem PRO. You need to uncheck the box problem reports. You need to uncheck the box, name it as problem reports. I don't have it, but you need to uncheck it. I have Windows 10 Pro, that's why I am not eligible getting that. Next you need to go to Windows error, type W. Only one is there, Windows. You need to uncheck the box like Windows error, just like uncheck it, uncheck this and apply and OK. You need to restart the PC. Definitely you want to make changes before restarting. You need to restart your PC guys. Next go to next steps. Start menu, right click on it, click run and type appwiz.cpl. Press OK. In here you need to uninstall Microsoft Visual C++. To uninstall these two of this Visual C++. You need to, you have any version of this, you need to uninstall that. Microsoft Visual, uninstall, press yes. Uninstall. Uninstall this guys. You need to restart your PC for make changes guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you.